Welcome back. Today we will explore 8 simple life rules that may look small at first, but over time they can completely change the way you live. Many people dream about success, happiness, confidence, better health, and a peaceful future, but they keep waiting. They wait for the perfect moment, a big opportunity, or some major change to appear. Yet real change usually begins in a much quieter way. It begins with daily habits. The small things you repeat every day slowly shape your body, your thoughts, your emotions, and your future. A better life is rarely built in one dramatic moment. It is built little by little. So, take a deep breath, relax, and let's begin. The first rule is simple. Never stay away from exercise for more than 3 days. Today, many people spend most of their time sitting. They sit at work, sit with their phones, sit while watching videos, and slowly movement disappears from daily life. Then one day they ask themselves, why am I always tired? Why do I feel lazy? Why is my mind heavy all the time? The answer is often simpler than they think. The body was made to move. When movement disappears, energy slowly disappears too. Exercise is not only about building muscles or changing appearance, it affects much more than that. Regular movement improves mood, focus, sleep, confidence, discipline, and emotional balance. A healthy body often supports a healthier mind. Many people carry stress every day. They overthink, worry, and feel emotionally exhausted. Exercise helps release some of that pressure naturally. Even a short walk can change your mood. A few minutes of movement can make the mind feel lighter. Another problem today is comfort. Modern life makes inactivity easy. Endless scrolling, long screen time, and avoiding physical effort slowly become habits, and habits shape life. The more inactive a person becomes, the harder simple actions feel. But the opposite is also true. The more you move, the easier movement becomes. You do not need difficult workouts. Walking is enough. Stretching is enough. Jogging, yoga, home exercises, simple body movement, all of these matter. Perfection is not required. Consistency is. Many people wait until they feel motivated, but motivation changes every day. Discipline stays. Some days you feel energetic, other days you do not. Still, people who keep moving continue growing. Small effort repeated many times becomes powerful. Exercise also builds confidence. Every time you finish a workout, even a small one, your mind learns something important. I can improve. I can stay committed. I can become stronger. Those messages slowly change self-belief. And there is another important truth. Your body carries you through life. Protect it. Take care of it. Respect it. Because health often becomes valuable only after people lose it. So remember this rule. Keep moving. Do not allow inactivity to control your life. A stronger body often creates a stronger future. Now let's move to the second rule. Wake up early. Mornings are powerful. They are usually quieter, calmer, and less crowded with noise and distraction. The mind often feels clearer in the early hours. That is why many disciplined and productive people value their mornings deeply. Think about how many people start their day. They wake up late, rush everything, check notifications immediately, feel stressed, and begin the day already tired. But people who wake earlier often experience something different: control. The beginning of the day shapes the rest of it. A rushed morning often creates a rushed day.
A peaceful morning creates a calmer day. Early hours give space to read, to exercise, to think, to pray, to plan, to learn, or simply to sit quietly for a few moments. Those quiet moments matter more than people realize. Another problem today is late-night habits. Many people stay awake for hours watching videos or scrolling online. Then they wake up exhausted. Good mornings usually begin the night before. Healthy sleep creates better mornings, and better mornings create better days. Waking up early also builds discipline. Choosing growth over comfort every morning slowly strengthens the mind. The bed feels warm, sleep feels easy, but getting up teaches self-control. That lesson helps in every area of life. There is also something powerful about momentum. When the day begins well, better decisions often follow. One healthy habit creates another. Wake up early, exercise, eat better, focus more, waste less time. Small choices connect together, and slowly life changes. Protect your mornings carefully. Do not give your first moments of the day to stress and endless notifications. Give them to yourself. Drink water, take a walk, watch the sunrise.
Sit quietly. Think clearly, because time is life. Even one extra productive hour each day becomes hundreds of hours over a year. That time can change everything. So remember this: wake up with purpose. Use your mornings wisely. Disciplined mornings often create disciplined lives. Now the third rule: read every day. Reading is one of the most powerful habits for personal growth. Books do something special. They change how people think. Reading improves vocabulary, knowledge, communication, focus, imagination, and wisdom. But many people stop reading after school. Instead, they spend hours every day scrolling, watching short videos, and consuming endless entertainment. Yet the mind grows through what it receives. Just like unhealthy food affects the body, unhealthy information affects the mind. Good books feed the brain with better ideas. They introduce new perspectives, new lessons, new ways of seeing life. Reading also helps concentration. Today, many people struggle to focus because attention is constantly pulled in different directions. Notifications, videos, endless scrolling. The mind becomes restless. Reading trains focus again. It teaches patience. It slows the mind down. And for English learners, reading is especially powerful. The more English you read, the more natural it begins to feel. Words become familiar. Sentence patterns become easier. Your brain quietly learns in the background. You do not need to read for hours. Even 10 minutes matters. 10 pages every day become thousands over time. Small learning creates big growth. Choose books that improve your thinking. Books about life, discipline, communication, health, personal growth. Books can become teachers. Sometimes one idea from a single page can change a person completely. So make reading part of daily life.
Feed your mind carefully, because people who continue learning continue growing. The fourth rule is this: become a little better than yesterday. Many people want a different future, but they repeat the same habits every day. They want more success, more confidence, more skills, and better results, yet their effort stays the same. Then they wonder why nothing changes. Growth begins when effort changes. You do not need huge improvement overnight. You only need small progress. Maybe yesterday you studied for 20 minutes. Today you study for 30. Maybe yesterday you wasted hours online. Today you stay focused longer. Maybe yesterday you quit early. Today you continue a little more.
Small improvements look unimportant at first, but repeated every day, they build extraordinary results. Many people compare themselves with others. They look at someone richer, smarter, or more successful and immediately feel behind. But comparison steals energy. Your real competition is your old self. Ask simple questions. Am I improving? Am I growing? Am I becoming stronger than before? That mindset creates progress. Hard work also creates confidence. Every challenge teaches the mind something valuable. I can handle difficulty. I can keep going. I can improve. That creates self-respect. Another important lesson is this: do not wait for motivation. Motivation changes. Discipline remains. Some days will feel easy. Some days will not. Keep moving anyway. Growth often happens during discomfort. Learning feels uncomfortable. Exercise feels uncomfortable. Trying something new feels uncomfortable. But comfort rarely creates transformation. Hard work also teaches patience. Real progress is often invisible at first, like planting a seed. For some time, nothing appears above the ground, but growth is happening underneath.
Life works the same way. Daily effort builds quietly. Then one day, the results become visible. You do not need perfection. You only need consistency. Keep improving. Keep showing up. Your future self is being built by today's actions. The fifth rule is simple. Think less. Many people lose their peace because they think too much. They worry about tomorrow. They replay old mistakes. They fear things that never happen, and slowly the mind becomes tired. Thinking is useful. Overthinking is not. Many people suffer more in imagination than in reality. Not every thought deserves attention. Some thoughts help. Some thoughts only create fear. A peaceful mind makes better decisions. An overloaded mind creates confusion. That is why rest is important. Walk, read, exercise, pray, breathe deeply. Spend less time with noise and endless information. Let your mind become quiet sometimes. Life feels lighter when the mind becomes calmer. The sixth rule is this: give more. Many people spend life focused only on themselves, their goals, their problems, their success. But real happiness often grows through connection. Giving does not always mean money. You can give kindness, time, respect, encouragement, patience, attention. Sometimes one sentence can help someone deeply. You are doing well. I believe in you. I'm here for you.
Many people are fighting silent battles. Kindness matters more than we realize. People may forget what you achieved, but they often remember how you made them feel. Helping others also changes you. It creates gratitude. It builds emotional strength. It brings meaning. Life becomes richer when you positively affect other people. The seventh rule is very important. Spend time with family. Life moves quickly. Parents grow older. Children grow up. Time passes quietly, and moments never return exactly the same. Many people become busy chasing success and forget the people waiting at home. But family often needs presence more than anything else. Sometimes they only want time, a conversation, a shared meal, a simple moment together. These small moments become memories later. Money can return, time cannot. Family also gives strength during difficult seasons. Life brings stress, failure, sadness, and challenges. Support matters. Love matters. Connection matters. Do not wait until regret arrives. Talk more, listen more, show appreciation. Protect your relationships while you still can, because one day, today's ordinary moments may become your most precious memories. And now, the final rule. Smile more. Life is not always easy. Everyone faces pressure, stress, and difficult days. Sometimes people carry so much negativity that they forget how to smile naturally. But a smile has power. It changes energy. It improves communication. It brings warmth. It makes life feel lighter. This does not mean pretending everything is perfect. Problems still exist. Difficult days still come. Smiling means choosing hope anyway.
It means not allowing darkness to control everything. There is still beauty, still gratitude, still peace, still reasons to keep going. Your energy affects the people around you. A smile can change someone's day without you realizing it. That is powerful. So smile more, laugh more, notice small joys more often, because life becomes easier when you stop carrying every burden alone. And remember this before we finish. A better life is not built overnight. It is built through daily choices, small actions, simple habits, quiet discipline. Keep improving, keep learning, keep moving forward. Thank you for spending this time together today. Take care of yourself, stay consistent, and keep becoming the person you want to be.